Hey friends, this is a new builder that I found, Graham Hart. This is over in Fort Worth, but they are building in Colleyville, right outside of DFW Airport. Wanted to walk through this and show it to you. This is a 4-bedroom and it's really nice. So there's a front bedroom slash office. Then the stairwell that goes upstairs, we'll see that in a minute. And then here you have garage door, big laundry room. Have a bedroom here with a closet. And then you have a full bath here. A couple of entryway closets. Kitchen. And in Rumfield, you will be able to make some different choices. Their appliances are built in, eat-in kitchen area. You have a big backyard. Then this is the main bedroom downstairs. So you have 2 bedrooms downstairs, and you have 2 up. Good size walk-in closet here. Water closet. Shower tub. Looks out into the backyard. And let's run upstairs real quick. This house is priced at $600. It's a little over 2,800 square feet. The Granbury is next door. It's a good looking model. It's a good looking floor plan also. So here you have a bedroom, kind of a bonus room area. And you have a bedroom here. Then you Jack and Jill the bathrooms. Then this closet's up here. And this goes back to the stairwell. Good looking house, Graham Hart Builders.